William Ruto niko bono arireira yogocha kubeka emirubirio ase serikali yae irache kweneka Abakenya Bonsi konyora bari Ebibande babegochi passport wanchiriria konde wensi gotayo muraibu enseni gari ko yakwanaiga ekero AENEGETIE okumerana kwa babwatani kurwa sedini ya Islam ase ENYOMBA ENKE yoburai ase EKAONTI ya MOMBASA botukubugo kiralero.
Niwahakikishie ya kwamba vile taifa letu la Kenya tumekuja pamoja na tumekubali kushirikiana, tuondoe siasa ya ubaguzi, tuondoe ukabila, tuondoe chuki, tuondoe migawanyiko, tuungane, tushirikiane, Mungu atatujalia. Umesema kwa mfano ya kwamba kuna ubaguzi ambayo imetokea pale nyuma, injustices against sections of our society. An identity card was made to be a privilege, or a passport to be a privilege for some sections of our society, which is not correct. And even as we make it possible for every citizen to access an identity card and also a passport, it is not a favor that we are doing to anybody in Kenya. It is a right.
It's sessional paper number 10 of 1965. Na hiyo si sessional paper ikasema ya kwamba all the investments of Kenya will go to a place where the return on a shilling is highest. And that meant that you invest only in high potential areas. And you exclude the semi-arid and arid areas of the country. And Mr. President, those areas of arid and semi-arid areas are very fertile. And the rain which rains in this country is a lot of rain, Mr. President. And that rain also rains up there, where they are mainly Muslim. They are nomads. And you tell them that those areas, you get the lowest return per acre. Mr. President, I was so happy when you established this fund of infrastructure, because those areas just need development, that is infrastructure, and they will get even better returns than the so-called high potential areas, Mr. President.